The fourth step in the technique asks you to consider the question, what do the terms mean? The meaning of a term is that which a word, phrase, or sentence signifies, represents, or portends, and includes the set of conditions under which the language is used correctly. Clarifying the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences allows you to better understand the intended meaning of the speaker. Words, phrases, and sentences sometimes have more than one possible meaning. Confusion and misunderstandings often result from the speaker intending that his words have one particular meaning, while his audience understands the term differently. This will allow a more informed application of the principle of fairness. It will also teach you how to construct clearer and less obscure arguments. An understanding of the meaning of a term or phrase will also help in the spotting of hidden assumptions and implications. In next chapter, we present a method for the clarification of the meaning of the words, phrases, sentences, and sometimes even the gestures from which the argument is constructed. We are analyzing the reasoning of others, or are attempting to construct arguments of our own. It is important to understand the meaning of the statements we employ. If someone is speaking a language we don't understand, the examination of their argument would be much more difficult, but sometimes, even when we do understand an arguer's language, the intended meaning is not readily apparent. Words and phrases can often be understood differently by the speaker and her audience. This can lead to a variety of misunderstandings. This chapter is devoted to an analysis of the concept of meaning and its function in human reasoning. Many attempts have been made by philosophers over the years to zero in on the concept of meaning, and there has been much disagreement. In general, though, we can say that when we speak of the meaning of a word or phrase, we are indicating what it signifies, represents, or portends, as well as those conditions that govern its usage. Remember that in any conversation, including a dispute between two individuals, both the speaker and his audience believe that the terms used have a certain meaning. Although there is often agreement as to the intended meaning, many times the participants understand the terms differently. When this occurs, verbal disagreements may result, and the task of the critical thinker is to try to clarify the meaning of the terms being used.